Hi ladies! Hey, I'm starting my new video channel here on YouTube. We're going to do tutorials on makeup. So it's all about face. It's about your skincare and your makeup. So we're going to start off with an eyebrow tutorial. Eyebrows always drove me crazy. So I'm sure they drive a lot of people crazy. So we're going to talk about different ways to do eyebrows and see which way that you prefer to do your eyebrows, because everybody's eyebrows are different and everybody's issues are different. So I have just a little background information. I do sell Mary Kay, but I also have been a licensed cosmetologist in the state of Ohio ever since 1981. So makeup was one of my passions and I really enjoyed it. I've sold a lot of makeup. I've learned a lot of techniques. I know a lot of inside information and I love to share what I know with you. So this is my way of doing it. So I really hope that you subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends.